Oh, hey, how's it going? And welcome to Your Road to Better Photography. My name is Corey Reese, and I'm excited to guide you through the incredible world of photography. Whether you're a beginner looking to understand the basics or a little bit more experienced photographer seeking to refine your skills, this course is designed to not only help you create stunning images that stand out from the crowd, but help you develop a sense of awareness that allows you to walk in any room or environment and automatically know where your settings need to be in order to get the best lighting. With that being said, in this course, we'll cover everything you need to know about lighting, from the fundamentals to advanced techniques. We'll start by discussing your camera settings and how they impact your images. Then we'll dive into using natural lighting, studio lighting setups, creative lighting techniques, product photography, and how to adapt your lighting to various scenarios. As we progress through this course, you'll work towards completing two final projects, a portrait photography project and a product photography project. These projects will allow you to showcase your newfound lighting skills and receive feedback from the course community. We'll provide detailed briefs and guidelines to help you succeed. And as a bonus, this course will be recorded in 8K 3D virtual reality, allowing you to experience the training as if you're right here in the studio with me, as well as participate in virtual meetups where you can meet with your peers from the course in VR. You will need a headset. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of photography. With dedication and practice, you'll soon be creating images that captivate and inspire. Enough talking. Let's dive in.